Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the fail to do action on Ubisoft Connect. Usually this is a connection issue, so you can go ahead and check your Wi-Fi connection, make sure everything is stable, run a speed test. But if that does not work, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and update Ubisoft Connect. Make sure you have the latest version of Ubisoft Connect on your PC and it's installed correctly, and you want to go ahead and check for maintenance. So you go ahead and go to your favorite browser, search Ubisoft server status. Okay, just search that up and you can see if there's any problems, any outages in the last 24 hours, or you can search for example, any specific game you're playing. If maybe it is due to Rainbow Six Siege, you can go ahead and open that up. So as you can see, there's no current problems. Then what you want to do is you want to check your security software. Make sure your security software, for example, a firewall or antivirus is not blocking Ubisoft Connect. Okay, let me show you how to do that. So come here, click on search, and then search for firewall. Okay, and now we're going to click on Adobe Windows Defender Firewall. Open this up. Let's wait for this to load. And here, as you can see, our firewall is on. I'm going to go ahead and close this. Now what you want to do, guys, come and search for firewall again. Then you want to open the firewall and network protection settings. Open this up. Alright, now once this loads up, I'm going to show you exactly how to check, because this could be a main problem. So you're going to click on this, allow an app through the firewall. Click on this option. And let's wait for this to actually load up. And now you want to scroll down and make sure Ubisoft. So let's scroll down. Where is Ubisoft? Should be right around here. Alright, you want to make sure basically Ubisoft actually has been allowed permissions on both the private and public networks, okay? And then also, once you make sure of that, guys, what you want to do is you want to disable any background applications. So right click on your Windows, click on Task Manager, okay? And once this loads out, I'm going to show you how to basically disable some background apps. So you're going to close any background applications that might be interfering with Ubisoft Connect, and maybe you're not using that anymore, okay? For example, if I want to close this, come here, click on End Task. And then if all of those don't work, guys, what you can do is you can, of course, go ahead and close Ubisoft Connect, okay? Completely close it. Come here, right click, click on Quit. And then you basically go ahead and start it up again. Okay, and if you're having trouble with a specific game, what you can do is try and reinstalling that. And that should go ahead and fix the issue. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find a Solution. And I'll see you guys in the next one.